Hi fellow coders, we'll tackle with the question presented on your screen. Write a Python program to find the factorial of a number. Okay, so let us first look at what factorial is. Right, if you already know the concept of factorial, you are here to view the code only, you are here for the code only, then please check out the description below. And if you want to know the concept behind the code, you can just skip the video. Right, so let us continue. So let us learn what factorial is. Okay, if someone says 2 factorial, find the factorial of 2, or 2, what is 2 factorial, then it means that 2 factorial, this is how we write 2 factorial, this is the symbol of factorial, right? So 2 factorial, this would be equal to 2 into 1. Okay, if it is not yet clear, I'll show you another example. 3 factorial, right? 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. So you have to multiply the number minus 1 and continue subtracting it and multiplying it until the number reaches 1. Right? For example, if someone says what is 7 factorial, right? 7 factorial would be equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 till 1. Okay, so you can go on and try it yourself before I start proceeding. Just pause the video, try it yourself. Right, so let's continue. Let us jump to the code. So we'll again create a function here, def, let us call it factorial, and you'll enter your number here, right, n. Okay, now for I in range, I'll take n or 0 comma n, right? For I in range n, you'll make a variable. First, let me write the code and then I'll explain you the code thoroughly. Okay, is equals to 0, then for I in range 0 comma n, that means the for loop will run n times. So that means your y would be equal to y into your y should be 1. Yep. y into and this should be n plus 1. I'm sorry, it should run till n, right? Y into say I, right? And after that I, and after that print I, right? So fact, let me take 4, right? Control is going to be 4 only. Okay, print y, yep, 0. Okay, 24, yes. Okay, the factorial is 4. The factorial of 4 is 24, 5 is 120. Okay, let me tell you again, let me thoroughly explain you. Right, so def function n, this is how we call or how we define a function. So def function n, y is equals to 1 for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. That means we will run the loop till 1, from starting from 1 till n plus 1 and n plus 1 excluded. Right, I hope you know the basics of Python, loop, while loop and for loop. If you know that, then only you will be able to proceed with this question or these types of question. Right, so for I in range 1 to n plus 1, n plus 1 excluded. So let us calculate or evaluate the value of y, how the value of y is changing. So y initially is 1, so y is equals to 1 into I, and I initially is 1, right? So 1 into 1 is 1, so y is initially it is 1, then 1, that is y is equals to 1 into 2, because I gets on incrementing in for loop, right? In while loop you have to increment it manually, but in the for loop it gets incremented. So y is equals to y into 1. Now 1 is 2, previously it was 1, so 1 into 2 becomes 2, right? These are the changing value of 2, right? Okay, then y is equals to 2, y is equals to 2, this is 2, right? Y into 1, y is equals to 2 into 3, so you get 6, sorry 6, and keep on going. That's how you get factorial, right? For example, you have entered 3 here, so that means the loop will run, the I will change from 1 to 3 and 3 included, right? I would be 1, then into 2 into 3, right? So your answer would be 6 if you entered y, if you entered here 3. Okay, so let us check our code. Yep, that's going to be, I'm sorry, that's going to be, you get your 6, Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.